Hi, this is Evan from WCCF Tech, and we've got some exciting news if you're a fan of both Evangelion the anime and PC building. MSI, in collaboration with Evangelion E Project, has announced a range of PC components based on the popular anime. Given the growing popularity of anime in the Western Hemisphere, more manufacturers are now offering products inspired by popular shows. Even in APAC, diehard fans flock to get their hands on these limited edition products. In early 2021, MSI was reported to be working on a Neon Genesis Evangelion anime-inspired products and showcased a concept gaming monitor. Now, almost a year later, MSI has finally lifted the curtains off its Evangelion lineup and showed off a range of PC components that will be adapting to the appearance of the iconic Evangelion Unit 01 with their purple and green color scheme. And MSI isn't just offering a single component, but a suite of components to make sure that your entire PC can match the Evangelion theme. The lineup will include 4 PC components at the start: the MSI B660 Tomahawk EVA E Project, MSI Gungnir 110R EVA E Project, MSI Mag Core Liquid C240 EVA E Project, and the A650BN EVA E Project. All components except the casing and the PSU are totally brand new, which means that these products have not been available in standard offerings before. The case is a mid-tower ATX offering that is enclosed with 2 tempered glass side panels and a tempered glass front panel. It comes equipped with 4 ARGB fans, while the front panel I/O includes a USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. The casing can support a GPU length of up to 340mm and a 170mm tall CPU cooler. The PSU, on the other hand, is a standard 650-watt unit rated at 80 plus bronze efficiency. Overall, this is a really cool incentive for MSI to offer Evangelion branded products to fans of the popular anime series. But what do you think? Does MSI's Evangelion products do the series justice? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech news.